Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Autoworld in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have their 2015 Cadillac Escalade. Man, I've always loved this generation of Escalade. Always thought they looked absolutely awesome. And it does drive so well. Oh man. Huh. Looks like that's where you... yes, that's how you take the CDs out. But this whole thing's pretty cool. Sweet. That's how you change your different modes. You have Tour and Sport. We'll be driving it in Sport. Heads up display. Alright. This thing is awesome. I've loved this generation of Escalade ever since it came out, honestly. I've just loved how they looked, and man, do they drive nice. And I love the suede accents throughout. Yeah, you could just tell after driving this generation of Tahoe and Suburban, the price tag just wasn't justified to me. This justifies the price tag. Even if this was, when new, close to $100,000, I can see that. And I don't know what we have this one listed. I don't know what Autoworld has this one listed for, but they've depreciated to the point where they can be a real bargain. Wow. Oh yeah, that's torque. Torque is a good thing. Save the V8, everybody. Save the V8. Doesn't handle all that bad, especially for a big SUV like this. Wow, that's actually impressive. Oh man, these things are just so comfortable. I could be in here for hours, just in pure comfort. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.